Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Lenovo V15 is stuck frozen. First, let's detect what causes the reason of the freezing. For example, let's say that this application isn't responding on your PC. In such case, what you have to do is press the combination of three buttons: Ctrl, Alt, and Delete simultaneously. Now in this window, select Task Manager. Now once the Task Manager loads up, in order to close the troublesome application, right click and select End Task on it, and now you'll be able to use your device freely. But if this didn't help you, then hold down the power button and keep holding it down for about 10 seconds until the power indicator on the right edge of your laptop turns off completely. And then turn your device back on by pressing the power button once again. And in case you cannot even turn your computer off, then the last solution available is simply unplugging the charging cable from your device and letting it discharge by itself. And once it discharges, you can reconnect the charging cable to your device and turn it on again. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.